Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix blurry Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Now, if it's your own Reels that are blurry when they get uploaded, what you need to do is go into your account, go into your settings menu at the top right, scroll down until you get to your app and media, go into data usage and media quality, and make sure media upload quality is set to upload at highest quality, just to make sure that your videos don't get compressed when you try and upload them. Other than that, you of course need to make sure that your videos are of a high enough native quality, make sure they are in a 16:9 aspect ratio for Reels, and make sure that their quality is at least 1080p, if not higher, just to make sure that your Reels are not blurry. Now, if it's other Reels that are blurry, you can turn off data saver. If it's on in the same settings, that disables Reel preloading or loading in advance, and it does so to save your data if you're on a mobile plan, and pretty much that will make your Reels of a lesser quality, and it won't load other Reels that you view on time, so you might just need to wait and they might not become blurry anymore. However, this might be causing blurry Reels. Other than that, you can of course make sure that your connectivity and your internet connection is stable, do a speed test online, restart your router, contact your ISP, do whatever you can to improve your connection if you're having problems, or alternatively, you can reinstall the app, make sure it's updated, and clear the cache in your storage to make sure that everything should be working according to plan and that nothing is corrupted. And other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.